वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। दोस्तों आज हम बात करेंगे सीएसएस के उन एमसीक्यूज़ के बारे में जो पास पेपर में बहुत ज़्यादा आ चुके हैं। तो जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल के आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलें ताकि उनके पास इस तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ पहुँचती रहें। दोस्तों चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम उन एमसीक्यूज़ की बात करेंगे जो एमसीक्यूज़ जिनमें इंग्लिश के एमसीक्यूज़ हैं प्रीसाइज एंड कंपोजिशन के। इनमें सबसे पहला एमसीक्यूज़ है। इनमें आपने वो अल्फाज तलाश करने हैं जो सिनोनियम्स हैं एक दूसरे के, जो सिमिलर हैं। सबसे पहला है जी क्रॉनिकल। इसका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है डेली रिचुअल, वाइडली हेल्ड बिलीव, अकाउंट ऑफ इवेंट। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है अकाउंट ऑफ इवेंट। सेकंड है जी फ्लूम, सी बर्ड विद अ विंग स्पैम 4 times इट्स बॉडी लेंथ, नैरो जॉर्ज विद अ स्ट्रीम रनिंग थ्रू इट, वार्म समर विंड। इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सेकंड, नैरो जॉर्ज विद अ स्ट्रीम रनिंग थ्रू इट। नेक्स्ट जी एपिटैप। इसका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है एडिटोरियल, क्लेवर हेडलाइन एंड टॉम स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन। तो जिसका थर्ड ऑप्शन करेक्ट ऑप्शन है टॉम स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन। लेकोनिक, लेकोनिक में फर्स्ट है जी कॉन्साइज, वीकली या सर्कुलर। इसका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन करेक्ट है कॉन्साइज। शिंगल, ग्रेवली बीच, एक्सपोज सैंड बार, ग्रुप ऑफ डॉल्फिन। का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ग्रेवली बीच। नेक्स्ट फिलियल, रिलेटेड बाय मैरिज ऑफ सन एंड डॉटर ऑफ ब्रदर्स। का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑफ सन्स एंड डॉटर्स। मिसोपीडिया का फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है अ हेट्रिड फॉर चिल्ड्रन। मिडल एज, फैमिली हिस्ट्री। का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है अ हेट्रिड फॉर चिल्ड्रन। मिनेज, मैरिज वाउ, हाउस होल्ड या गोल्डन ईयर्स। इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हाउस होल्ड। नेक्स्ट आपने वो अल्फाज चूज़ करने हैं जो एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट हैं जी। इसमें फर्स्ट है जी इनहिलिएट, सप्लीमेंट, ऑगमेंट, अपेंड या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। का फर्स्ट ऑप्शन करेक्ट है जी ऑगमेंट। सेकंड में है जी कर्ब। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है ब्राइडल, इंकरेजमेंट, रिप्रोच या एमिलियोरेट। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है जी इंकरेजमेंट। रेस्क्यू का फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है ग्रफ, कर्ट, स्मूथ या डिस्कस। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है स्मूथ। कनकर्ड, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है एमिटी, अकॉर्ड, वेरिएंस या यूनाइटी। का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वेरिएंस। कॉन्सेंटियस, अनकमिट, ऑनरेबल, प्रिंसिपल या प्रोफिलिगेट। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है जी प्रोफिलिगेट। सिक्स में है जी डिप्लोमेटिक। का जी फोर्थ ऑप्शन है फोर ऑप्शन है जी सगैशियस, शेयर्ड, बंगलिंग या प्रूडेंट। का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बंगलिंग। हाइपोक्रेसी, अपराइटनेस, प्रिटेंस, कैंट या डेसीट। का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है अपराइटनेस। में नेक्स्ट है जी ऑनरस। का फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है ब्रडसम, वेयरिंग, डिफिकल्ट या फ्लुएंट। का करेक्ट ऑप्शन जी फ्लुएंट। तो जी नेक्स्ट हमारा टॉपिक है एवरीडे साइंस। अब हम बात करेंगे एवरीडे साइंस के एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। तो मैं फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है दी साइंटिफिक मेथड विल सीक टू एक्सप्लेन नेचुरल इवेंट्स एंड मेक यूजफुल predictions in a haphazard manner, a manner designed to fit the theories or experimental bias, a consistently reproducible manner या none of these। तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है consistently reproducible manner। इसमें आगे नेक्स्ट ये कोड लिखी हुई है सेकंड में, दिस वाज स्टेटेड बाय विच की फिगर इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द साइंटिफिक मेथड इन 11th सेंचुरी। ये किसने 11th सेंचुरी में की फिगर किया था? अरिस्टोटल ने, इब्न अल हैथम ने, प्लेटो या नन ऑफ दीज ने। इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है इब्न अल हैथम ने। Abu Abdullah Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi is famous for writing the Kitab al-Jabbar wal-Muqabala, in which he presented the first systematic solution of linear and quadratic equation, delineated methods of operation and competition, wrote the laws of optics. None of these first option correct. He presented the first systematic solution of linear and quadratic equation. Galileo Galilei was presented by Catholic Church for suspicion of holding the view that the object of different masses fell at the same velocity. The sun revolved around the moon. The earth was probably not the center of the universe. None of these C option correct है. The earth was probably not the center of the universe. Ibn Zahur, the author of Al-Taysir, is known as the father of experimental surgery, the founder of calculus, a biographer of provincial governors. None of these, the first option correct है. The father of experimental surgery. Ibn Khaldun's Muqaddimah is regarded by many the first work dealing with the philosophy of history, a minor footnote in his writing, a well-documented tale of his trial. None of these, the first option correct है. The first work dealing with the philosophy of history. A physical, mathematical, or logical representation of a natural phenomenon is called phenomenal. A scientific model, a theoretical postulate. None of these. The B option correct. A scientific model. Next, Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz, working independently in the 17th century, laid the foundation of classical physics and are known as the father of astrology, relativistic theory, integral and differential calculus. None of these. The third option correct. Integral and differential calculus. A light year is a year divided of heavy rainfall, the time taken by the light to be generated and propagated from the center of the sun toward the earth, the distance covered by light in in one of our solar years. None of these. Third option correct. The distance covered by the light in one of our solar years. Our sun is classified as a blue giant, yellow dwarf, supernova. None of these. B option correct. Yellow dwarf. The proliferation of education and dissemination of knowledge in the last 2 centuries has led to faith in science that causes human beings to turn on other human beings is the main cause of poverty and war leads to oppression of the educated. None of these. The B option character is the main cause of poverty and war. Science attempts to explain how the universe works by discovering the laws regulating everything around us. Use discovered law to engineer new devices, both A and B, and none of these correct option is C, both A and B. The sun produces most of its energy by nuclear fusion, which involves converting hydrogen to helium, nuclear fission, including in the burning of uranium and plutonium, nuclear fission involving the combining of uranium and palladium. None of these is first option correct. Nuclear fusion, which involves converting hydrogen to helium. Which of the following is the correct ordering of inner planets listed according to the proximity of Sun? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Phobos, Deimos, Europa, Titan, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. None of these. Third option correct. Mercury, Venus, Earth, or Mars. How long does our Earth take to turn about the axis? 1 hour, 23 hours, 24 hours, and none of these. The 24 hour correct option है. Tides are generated by the movement of ships in the ocean, the, the gravitational effects of the moon and the sun on Earth, the movement of Earth around sun, and none of these. Second option correct है. The gravitational effect of the moon and the sun on our Earth. Seasons are generated by the movement of sun around the center of Milky Way, the movement of Earth around the sun, relativistic quantum fluctuation, none of these. Second option correct है जी. The movement of the Earth around the sun. Although the mass of a man on the moon remains the same as on the earth, he will be much happier there. Weight 1/6 as much, weight twice as much, none of these. B option correct है जी, Y 1/6 as much. The average air pressure at sea level is 201.225 kilopascal, 101.325 kilopascal, 103.525 kilopascal. None of these. Second option correct है 101.325 kilopascal. The efficiency of a machine is always greater than 100%, cannot exceed than 50%, cannot exceed 100%. None of these could be option correct, cannot exceed 50%. A material with high elasticity does not return to its original shape upon being stretched and then released. Returns as close as possible to its original shape upon being stretched and then released. Cannot be stretched to infinite distances. None of these. B option character returns as close as possible to its original shape upon being stretched and then released. Matter and energy can be converted from one to other when taken together conserved in all processes in a closed system. Both A and B, and none of these are the correct option is C, both A and B. Electrical current flows from higher potential to lower potential is caused by the flow of electrons. Both A and B, and none of these can be correct option C, both A and B. Electricity and magnetism are two facts of a same force, always opposed to each other. Both A and B, and none of these could be correct option है both A and B. Ball bearing help wheels and other rotating object move without consuming any energy, rotate more easily and with less friction. Both A and B, and none of these. Correct option is C, both A and B. Photography works by capturing the soul of object being photographed, capturing light reflected from the object being photographed. Both A and B, and none of these. The correct option is C, both A and B. Arthur C. Clarke, the famous science fiction author, while working as radio operator in the British Army in World War II, proposed building a space elevator from carbon monofilaments, postulated the existence of extraterrestrial artifacts on the moon, proposed a network of satellites in stationary orbit at very high altitude around the Earth he used to bounce communication signal all over the world. None of these. इसका C option correct है. The Sino-Pakistani JF-17 Thunder aircraft is Is a commercial transport aircraft is neither built or nor assembled in Pakistan, has no stealth features in its engine inlets or elsewhere. None of these C option sector has no stealth feature in its engine inlets or elsewhere. Next, the communication satellites are in geostationary orbit, geosynchronous orbit, semi-synchronous orbit, and none of these. The first option character geostationary orbit. RAM of a computer refers to read access memory, write access memory, random access memory, and none of these. That's the correct option. Random access memory. Which of the following is responsible for transporting oxygen in the blood? White blood cell, neutrophils, red blood cell, and none of these is correct option. Red blood cell. Each of the following hormone in an amino acid derivative except epinephrine, melatonin, tyrosine, thyroid stimulating hormone. Correct option thyroid stimulating hormone THS. Which structure is not a part of endomembrane system? Nucleus envelope, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus या plasma membrane. B option correct है chloroplast. All of the following are a part of prokaryotic cell except DNA, a cell wall, a plasma membrane, and endoplasmic reticulum. Correct option is D and endoplasmic reticulum. Artificial selection was practiced by Arabs, Chinese, Romans. None of these correct option are Romans. Arachnophobia Arachnophobia refers to the fear of spiders, snakes, bats, and none of these correct option is spiders. Which of the following is a part of DNA? D. GDP, D. ADP, D. TMP, and none of these correct option is A. D. GDP, GTP. In humans, Y chromosome is passed to the next generation from father to son, mother to son, father to daughter, mother to daughter. Correct option is A. Father to son. Which of the following is a mammal? Lutana, swordfish, whale, and none of these correct option is whale. Which of the following is not a part of DNA? Thymine, adenine, ribose, and none of these correct option are ribose. Which of the following is labeled as good cholesterol for humps? High density protein, low density lipoprotein, very low density lipoprotein. None of these correct option are A. High density lipoprotein. Which of the following is an infectious disease? Deafness, blindness, baldness. None of these correct option is the baldness. Which of the following is non-essential amino? Alanine, methionine, tryptophan, none of these correct option are tryptophan. Starting from the highest, choose the correct sequence of the molecule in order yielding sugar, fat, sugar, protein, sugar, fat. In none of these correct option are protein, sugar, fat. Next, which of the following does not contain a structural protein? Oval beam. Correct option is का. Which of the following gas is essential for human being? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. None of these. Correct option oxygen. Highest source of omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil, palm oil, sunflower oil. None of these. Correct option of fish oil. Protein are made up of polymycloside, polypeptide, polysaccharides. None of these. Correct option of polypeptide. Schizophrenia is associated with an excess of receptors for norepinephrine, chromosome, serotonin, acetylcholine. Correct option is B. Chromosome. Which of the following are found in nucleus? Lysosome, chromosome, ribosome. None of these. Correct option is the chromosome. Next, the density of water is greatest at 32 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Celsius. None of the correct option is 4 degrees Celsius. Which one of the following statements is true? Gases do not conduct heat. The best conductor are non-metal conductor. Conduction currents occurs only in liquid. A vacuum cannot conduct heat. None of statement is correct option of none of statement is true. Ice can be changed to water by adding more water molecule, changing the motion of water molecule, rearranging the atom in water molecule, destroying the atoms in water molecule. Correct option is B. Changing the motion of water molecule. The building blocks of elements are called atoms, molecule, compound, या isotope. The building block of elements are atoms. Boiling of an egg is a change which is physical, chemical, psychological, morphological. Correct option is chemical. Temperature of liquid nitrogen is minus 32 degrees Celsius, minus 80 degrees Celsius, minus 100 degrees Celsius, या minus 196 degrees Celsius. Correct option is D. Minus 196 degrees Celsius. Which one of the following is an alkali? Water, vinegar, lemon juice, near stake line. Correct option is the stake line. If an alkali is slowly added to an acidic solution, the pH of the acidic solution will increase, decrease, increase to 7 and then decrease, decrease to 7 and then increase. Will remain the same. Correct option is the increase. The usual raw material for ceramics generally found beneath the topsoil is sand, silt, clay या plaster of Paris या melamine. Correct option है जी clay. Polymers are synthetic polymers commonly known as synthetic, nylon, cellulose, protein या none of these. Correct option is B nylon. Telephone was invented in 1876 in America by Marconi, Galileo, John Barrett, Edison या Graham Bell. Correct option है जी John Barrett. Information can be sent over long distances in the form of electrical signal through wires, light signal through optical fibers, radio waves through air, या any combination of these three. Correct option है जी any combination of these three. Next, information can be stored in audio and video plastics, floppy and compact disks, hard disks, laser and optical disks. Correct option है जी all of these four. Computers can all add and subtract information only, add, subtract and sort information only, add, subtract, sort and classify, add, subtract but cannot sort, add, subtract and sort but cannot classify. Correct option is C, add, subtract, sort and classify information. IBM stands for International Business Machine, International Big Machine, International Business, Interrelated Business Machine, Interrelated Big Machine. None of these. Correct option is A, International Business Machine. Chemical used to kill weeds are called insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, या fumigants. None of these. Chemical जो है इसका correct option है जी herbicide. The cytoplasm consists of several types of structure which are called protoplasm, nucleus, cytochrome, organelles. None of these. The correct option is the organelles. The structure of DNA was elaborated by Watson and Crick in 1909, 1923, 1945, 1953. Correct option is 1953. In DNA molecule, the rule for basic base pairing is adenine always bound with thymine and cytosine with guanine. Adenine always bound with cytosine and thymine with guanine. Adenine always bound with guanine and cytosine with thymine. Adenine always bound with uracil and cytosine with guanine. None of these. Correct option is A. Man belongs to the family Felidae, hominid, Mammalia या Primatids या none of these. Correct option is B. Hominid. Deficiency of vitamin C in the human body causes a disease called beriberi, night blindness, rickets, scurvy. या none of these. Correct option is D. Scurvy. To measure the specific gravity of milk, the instrument called hygrometer, barometer, lactometer या hydrometer. या none of these. Correct option is C. Lactometer. One of the fundamental characteristics of living organisms is photosynthesis, digestion, excretion, metabolism. Correct option is D. Metabolism. Plants growing on other plants are called saprophytes, parasites, epiphytes, pathogens. Correct option is C. Epiphytes. As per eating habits, squirrels are frugivorous, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Correct option is B. Herbivorous. Water loss from leaves through stomata is called evaporation, transpiration, evapotranspiration, respiration. Correct option is B. Transpiration. The study of how plants and animals interact with one another and with the non-living environment is called ecosystem, sociology, ecology, and habitat. Correct option is C. Ecology. The number of bones in human body 200, 202, 204, and 206. Correct option is 206. Nervous system in human body consists of brain and spinal cord, brain and nerve, spinal cord and nerve, brain, spinal cord and nerve. Correct option is D. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. In human eye, the light sensitive layer mode of specialized nerve cell, the rods and control are called the pupil, the cornea, the sclera, the iris. Correct option is G. The sclera. Erythrocytes are also called red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets, या plasma. Correct option है जी red blood cell. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है जी हमारा करंट अफेयर्स. इसमें हम करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में एमसीक्यूज के बारे में बात करेंगे. स्टार्ट करते हैं. ऑपरेशन डेजर्ट शीट वाज लॉन्च बाय यूएस इन 2 अगस्त 1990, 17 जनवरी 1991, 28 February 1991. None of these. Correct option is 2 August 1990. Operation Enduring Freedom OEF was conducted by US in Iraq, Afghanistan, Libya, and none of these. Correct option is Afghanistan. Suez Canal was nationalized by Egypt on July 26, 1953, July 26, 1956, July 28, 1955. None of these. Correct option is in July 26, 1956. Operation Gibraltar resulted into which war? Indo-Pakistani War of 1948, Indo-Pakistan War of 1965, Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, and none of these correct option है जी Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. The United Nations International Day of Peace is celebrated on September 21 since 1980, 1981, 1982, and none of these correct option है जी 1982. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in the age of 33, 37, 39. None of these correct option है जी 39. Ozone layer absorb most of the ultraviolet radiation. Sun's ultraviolet radiation both A and B, and none of these correct option है जी both A and B. World Water Day is celebrated every year on 20 March, 21st March, 22 March, and none of these correct option है जी 22 March. What material is used to coat iron in galvanizing process? Tin, zinc, copper. In none of these correct option है जी zinc. For purifying drinking water, alarm is used. For coagulation of mud particle to kill bacteria, to remove salt, to remove gases. Correct option है जी for coagulation of mud particle. The Shahnama or Book of Kings was written by Abu al-Mansur Daqiqi, Abu al-Qasim Firdausi, Khusro II, none of these correct option Abu al-Qasim Firdausi. Galileo's most famous invention was telescope, steam engine, calendar, none of these correct option telescope. The theory that a single dominant power can maintain world peace is called behavioralism. Constitutive theory, hegemonic stability theory, none of these correct option hegemonic stability theory. Thank you so much for watching. मिलते हैं आपसे इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।